Now let us discuss about the various institutions in India which are working on the meteorological aspects. I hope all of you know this. This is Indian Meteorological Department which was established in 1875 in Pune. This is not Indian, this is India Meteorological Department. In exam, sometimes they give the confusing statements and we go for the wrong answer. So this is not Indian Meteorological Department, it is India Meteorological Department which was established in 1875 in Pune. Now this institution is shifted to New Delhi which is present in Mausam Bhavan. So, India Meteorological Department started working on the various meteorological aspects. Under this, as agrometeorology took the speed after this age, in 1932, Meteorological Department was established in India Meteorological Department. And the next one is National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting in 1988. This institution is present in New Delhi and this is working on the weather forecasting, that is medium range weather forecasting. In exams, they give the short form or the abbreviation of the institution and we are supposed to know the full form of the institution and where they are located. So these two are important institutions which are working on the meteorological aspects in India. Now let us discuss about the observatory. Observatory or the agrometeorological observatory is a place where all the instruments which are required to measure the weather parameters are present. So, observatory, agrometeorological observatory, it is a place where all the instruments for measuring with various weather parameters are present. This should be 60 meter north to south and 40 meter east to west. So this is the required or the standardized area required for setting up of an observatory. In this observatory, around the borders, a fence will be made up. The fence should be, the height of the fence should be 1.2 meter so that the trespassers can be avoided. In this observatory, various instruments like anemometer, Stevenson screen, maximum thermometer, minimum thermometer and various other instruments are present. Now we shall study about the classification of various agrometeorological observatories. The classification goes like this. Observatories are divided into climatological and synoptic observatory. Climatological observatories work on the effect of the climatic conditions and synoptic observatories work on the weather parameters. Under climatological, again we have meteorological and agrometeorological. Since we deal with the agrometeorological aspects, we concentrate on agrometeorological observatory. These agrometeorological observatories are 5 types. They are named as A, B, C, D, E. ABC type of observatories, these 3 we call them as a major observatories and DE we call them minor observatories. Now we'll know about little details of these various meteorological observatories. As I told you, ABC are the 3 major agrometeorological observatories. A, B, C. A type of observatory, we call it as a principal type of observatories.
What happened?
B, A type of observatory is known as principal observatory. B type of observatory is known as ordinary. And C type observatory is known as auxiliary observatories. These three major observatories will be having eye reading as well as self-recording instruments. These three instruments, A type of instrument is present in Pune. And B type of ordinary type of observatories, we usually find them in agricultural farm. And C type of observatories, not that much important, but they'll be using for one or the other research. In this A type of observatory, I mean principal observatory, these type of observatories are mainly used for various experimentation and also in collaboration with World Meteorological Organization, which is present in Geneva. They carry out different researches regarding weather parameters. And B type of observatory, as I told you, these are present in, you may find them in universities, agricultural farm also. So in this, with this self-recording instruments, these self-recording readings will be supplemented with the spot assessment of the time, that is 7 hours and 14 hours local mean time.